How to install Central Sound memory foam ear tips for Apple AirPods Pro.
First, you gently pinch the silicone ear tip and pull away gently. Next, you grasp our memory foam ear tip and align it with the oval on the AirPod. Gently push down and snap into place. Our Central Sound brand memory foam replacement ear tips for Apple AirPods Pro conform to the ear canal to provide a custom fit, secure comfort, and help isolate noise for an improved audio experience. Anyone who feels the AirPods are loose or may fall out, or anyone who feels ear pain, find these as an excellent solution. Buy a set at centralsound.co, enter promo code BEATS10 at checkout for a discount.